Full-time employees here fabricating all your trim ahead of time on our CNC equipment. As you see here, we got Josh on the shear, we got Keenan on the brake. We got our stock flat sheets in stock at all times. So every one of these cartridges is accessible for the guys to quickly get your flashing bent up, eliminating delays. Again, over there, we got the brand new sedan folder. Over here, we got another sedan folder, another shear, and another folder. We got our whole corrugated line here. We got our tooling in stock. Everything's ready to rock and roll. Our systems are engineered and built on CNC equipment. That means that your warranty is actually valid.